What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the next huge Samsung Galaxy mid-range tablet. Now, there was rumors that it was going to be called the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Lite, but as you can see from the headline, that is not going to happen. So it looks like the name of the next mid-range huge tablet will be the Galaxy Tab S7 XL Lite. Now, this will be a 12.4-inch IPS LCD display with S Pen support. It's gonna have a Snapdragon 750G processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, micro SD card, up to 5 colors, Type-C charging, and 45-watt fast charging. So you can see it's not gonna be a hugely powerful processor, but I do like the name. I like the XL name in there. I hate seeing the word light. It makes me think of like a Diet Coke you're buying that has like no flavor or something like that. But regardless, that's gonna be the name seemingly of the next mid-range big Samsung tablet. Last story of the day is a tweet put out by my buddy Tech Odyssey. He owns a Galaxy Z Flip 3, and when he closes it at the crease on the left side, it makes this like creaking sound. Like, it's pretty loud. It doesn't do it on the right, it does it on the left. So every time it closes it, it's like makes like a different sound. You can audibly hear the sound. And he's sent this phone to Samsung twice to get it fixed. And check out his tweet, because it's at this point it's laughable, the service that he's had to go through with Samsung Care. This is bad. And remember, this is the second time he's had to do this. He says, Samsung's repair is a joke. Sent off my Z Flip 5G again after the failed first attempt. Got a message today saying, we have tested your phone and found no issues. He said he even included a note in the box with what's wrong and a link to his YouTube video for an illustration. WTF. I'll put the video that he talked about down below, where he actually shows the issue at large, so you can watch his video detailing the issues he's having with his Galaxy Z Flip 3. And at this point, it's like, okay, if he's detailing it with notes and he's detailing it with a video, I can understand they might not watch the video, whatever. But with notes in there detailing what exactly the issue is, you would think Samsung would say, okay, I do hear that. There's audibly a sound going on. It seems like the crease is either deteriorating, or it's broken, or it's about to break. Ultimately, there's something wrong with it. Let's fix it. And at that point, they would either say, okay, it's an issue with the manufacturing, so Samsung would cover it, or it's an issue with the user, Adam, maybe Tech Odyssey, maybe he broke it. But ultimately, them saying that there's no issue at all and them just sending it back to him, and he already gave them details, this is bad. And the reason I show this is because, not because it's Samsung, but to show you that I've had issues with their support. I know my buddy Josh Quinones, who's another YouTuber, had issues with their support, where they did what they did to me, where they took away his Samsung Care on his Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now you see my other buddy on YouTube, Adam of Tech Odyssey, with his Galaxy Z Flip 5G. He has an issue with it. They don't take any action, even though he's detailing and showing what the problem is, and they still won't do anything about it. There's something, this is bad, and something needs to be done. Hopefully Samsung will see all these videos that come out about these issues with their support and improve. That's really the purpose of all this, that at least that I want. I know that he's, saying this on Twitter and everything else. So if you've had issues with Samsung support, let us know in the comments down below. Or if you've had a really good experience from the beginning to the end, let us know that as well. We'll see you guys down the road.